Hello everyone, this is Zukhruf from infosharing360.com. Alright, so this video is about the use of pen, highlighter, laser and eraser tools in the slideshow view of Microsoft PowerPoint. These tools are pretty handy and helps the presenter to interact more efficiently with the audience. First, I'll show you the shortkeys that we can use directly to access these tools. So here are the shortkeys. I won't waste time explaining each hotkey, but just to add, I have highlighted the initial letters of some tools in blue font because these initial letters are also used with the control function for shortkey. And I hope this will help you remember these shortkeys. Now let's practically use these shortkeys. Afterwards, I'll show you how to manually select these tools in case you forget the shortkeys. So first, the Control L shortkey. All you need to do is to press Control and L keys simultaneously. See, now it's showing the laser pointer. To move forward for pen, press Control P. It transformed to a pen. Next is highlighter. I pressed Control I function. Here you go. This is the highlighter. The next function is also very critical. It hides all the annotation. Uh, Once I press Control M, you can see all the annotations are hidden now. To revert back to see all the annotations again, I have to press the same key again, Control M. I can see that all these annotations are back now. Next is the eraser. Press Control E. Eraser you can use to erase anything. Then the erase all ink on slide function. All you have to do is to press E key. It will remove all the annotations. See, all gone. Uh, then to revert back to the default arrow cursor like this, press Control A. See, it's pretty simple to use. Uh, One more thing, and it is important as well. These tools work only when your presentation is in the slideshow mode. Okay. So to access these tools manually, hover your cursor to the bottom left area of the projected slide to see some navigation icons. Here you go. See, all these options are available. I can click on any and use as per my requirement. To change the ink color, navigate to the flyout menu again and select the desired color. I can change the color as well. So that's all about this topic. Thank you for watching this video.